عند وجبة دولة بتقوي ديري ملاحين دولة بالإنسان عبهايا دلب لغاني غيدا مركل ايدن قادي وزيها وانتو بنتو بليا دنبو.
There is a distinct difference between a state and a union. The international laws that govern statehood are totally different from those applied to a union. A state, when entitled to the sovereignty, has its statehood measured by the Montevideo Convention. This convention states thus: 1. The state must have a permanent population. 2. State must have a defined territory. 3. A majority representative government. 4. The capacity to enter into international relationships with other states. The international law in unions is, however, very different. There is neither a prerequisite nor a permanent commitment to union membership. The union is a mere contract or an agreement between two legal states. The acts of the union is the contract that initiates the relationship between two states, and it is a compulsory requirement for both states to agree to formulate a joint act of union. Retirement from or relinquishing membership of the union is a right and a privilege of the union members. No member of the union can be denied the right to withdraw membership. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a fact that the Somali-Republic was a union and not a sovereign state. It is also a fact that the Somali-Republic was constituted in the Act of Union drafted by only one member of that union, making the 1960 Act of Union an illegal contract. Having made that very clear, the Somali-Republic Union was and would have forever remained an illegal union. Furthermore, such an illegal union does not have the privilege to cite or quote statehood entitlements. In fact, the sheer notion of claiming a union as a state is an act of fraud. A fraudulent endeavor which has for 25 years only served to deprive an entire state's population of their human rights. It is totally absurd to expect any possibility of change in Somali-Italia when Somali-Italia has total international support to maintain a fraudulent claim to represent a union as a unitary state. Somalia is not the Somali-Republic. Somalia is a state. The Somali-Republic was a union. Somalia has no more right to claim power over the union than its former union partner. Somalia has as much right to dissolve the union as its former partner. Let me make this very clear today and for the all future Somalis. The Somali Union was initiated out of love and trust which was betrayed, and for 25 years we have accepted the fraudulent claim that the union was a single state. Until we are ready to be honest with ourselves and our people, the merits of the falsely perpetuated Somali-Republic will keep Somalia, formerly Somalia-Italia, or the unjust territory of Somalia, a captive of falsehood with no sight of statehood. Change is difficult to accept. However, when one realizes there is only one path ahead, one must find the courage to walk that path. For what lies behind is far more devastating than ahead. 2016 must be the year of change, if all other measures indicate totally failure for Somalia.
عند وجبة الدولة بتقوي ديري ملاحين دولة بالإنسان عبهايا دلب لغاني غدا مركلي دنكادي وزيه وانتو بنتو بليان دنبو ملاحين قبايا واللي قديني هزباني قديري ولا دنقريان أنا دي بوري بامد قال دنقري ديان